Howdy folks, down at the creek, gonna be doing some bass fishing. That's what I would like to target for today. We've got a little baby brush hog. This is one of the smaller ones, I think. It may be the smallest one, but I've got it rigged weedless. And then I've got a little bitty split shot just to make it sink down a little faster. So yeah, let's start off at this deep little hole right here. There's a waterfall down there that I believe they like to hang around. So let's get to it. There we go. Oh yes, that feels so good. Woo, that feels good, folks. Oh, I'm recording, thank the Lord. It has been a really slow start for the day. And I was just decided, let me go natural, let me go for some bass. The baby brush hog came through, and that's actually a really solid bass for this creek. Usually they're, you know, some pretty tiny ones, and he is not happy. But yeah, that's a chunky dude. He's been feeding, unless it's got eggs or something in it. I'm not too sure. I don't keep track of when they do all that type of stuff, but yeah, that's awesome. Great way to start the day of bass fishing. Let me go ahead and snap a picture of it real quick, and we'll release it. All right, thank you for biting, buddy. Hopefully your buddies are out too. That would be great. Can't really put you down too easy, but light little toss. There we go. There we go. I've gotten so many bites from fish over here, and they seem like they were big enough to bite, and sure enough it was a green sunfish. But some of them looked pretty big, and I thought maybe there was a bass over there, but oh well. I'll try a couple more times, see if I can get them, and if not, at least there's a little green sunfish for the day. Got him. I gotcha. Oh, it's bigger than I thought. It took me a few tries, but oh wow. What a hook set. It took me about 3 or 4 tries, but I got him. It's actually a little bit bigger than I thought. That's another really solid little bass. Heck yeah. I've been getting a lot of little pecks. There's a lot of little fish out, so I'm definitely having to search these suckers down, but it's definitely worth it. 2 really nice healthy little creek bass. Let's put you back, buddy. It's going to be quite the drop. We can get down here a little bit more. See you, bud. That wasn't too bad of a splash. All right, let's get back in there. There we go. Something was over there biting it. The old green sunfish. It might turn into a green sunfish buffet, depending on how much longer I'm here. I think I gotta leave soon, but I'll take it. It's been a pretty slow day, so really wanted some bass, but a couple green sunfish won't hurt, I guess. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. I didn't even know how to speak. Are you freaking serious? I got one that quickly. Okay. Well, that's pretty cool. So I'm not gonna lie, I have been here for a while. And I've been just messing around with different lures, trying to figure out what I want to do for the video. And I was like, you know what, let me go natural, simple. It's cold, I don't need to be doing anything too crazy. Put that Cinco on, first cast over there, and boom, that's a really nice healthy bass. That is actually pretty awesome. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped about that, I'm not gonna lie. All right, let's put you back, brother.